Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang nakaka-inspire na video ng famous vlogger or TikToker sa US na very close kay President Donald Trump. Ito yung isa sa nangampanya para manalo si President Donald Trump. Ang tawag sa kanya is Midnight 123, millions of followers. So, nananawagan siya sa Pangulong Donald Trump, pupunta daw siya sa US para suportahan, para gawan ng paraan na mabigyan ng hustisya si Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte dahil sabi niya isang hero, maraming nagmamahal kay Duterte, kaya please Mr. President, gumalaw po kayo, tulungan niyo ang iyong best friend. Ganun, nakakatuwa. Okay, pakinggan natin ha. Ito, i-blinag ni Ako Kabibig. Kaya, i-share ko sa inyo.
Philippines that we said got arrested. You know, I have to tell you, after seeing the comments of what's going on, that I absolutely was compelled that I have to do a part 2 on the ex-president over in the Philippines that we said got arrested, but now it almost looks like a kidnapping. And I'm going to tell you right now to my friends out in the Philippines, I will take responsibility for my own shit of the first post that I put out, because the only rhetoric that we hear in our newspapers and our news channels and that this guy was a monster.
Grabe naman, yun pala ang kanilang paniniwala na si Pangulong Duterte ay monster. Sa social media, sa mga news channel, yun ang ipinapalabas sa USA.
Grabe.
Kasi kung ay monster na hindi minahal ng mga tao, pero nagkamali siya. Nagkamali siya after talking to certain Filipinos kung sino talaga si Pangulong Duterte. At sa kanya nakuhang informasyon, sabi niya, parang kinidnap si Pangulong Duterte.
Correct.
And he unalived and took the lives of so many people, and everybody over there hated him. But by the comments that are flowing in, it looks like this guy was a hero.
Hero.
It looks like this guy named Duterte is a hero.
Wow.
Ano yung Kabibig? Itong tao na to ay sikat na vlogger. I think kinuha siya ni President Trump para sa kampanya, at close sila ni President Trump, sila Midnight 123, i-follow yun sa TikTok. Pero tingnan yung Kabibig ko. Hero si Pangulong Duterte.
Like this guy, I think his name is Duarte. Excuse me if I'm botching up his name, but President Duarte looked like that he was a local hero.
Local hero.
The people that in the Philippines were praising him as, oh my God, thank you so much for saving my family, my children, from all these drug dealers and these drug addicts.
Do you agree sa kanyang statement?
Yes.
President Duterte is a local, or is he a hero? Comment down below mga Kabibig. Bayani bang maituturing natin si Pangulong Duterte? Comment down below if you agree on the statement of the Midnight 123 vlogger sa TikTok, and I think meron siya sa YouTube, I don't know. So,
they were compromising women and children, you know, all through the days and all through the nights to do anything for drugs. And when he was president, no drugs were anywhere.
Correct. No drugs anywhere. Meron man konti lang pero tago-tago.
Yes.
Meron man pero natatakot gumamit.
Yes.
Agree ba kayo?
Agree.
Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pagpupo Duterte, after 6 years sa kanyang panunungkulan, wala ang drogas. Hindi, meron yan. Pero takot ang mga taong gumamit.
Correct.
Kaya, yung mga drug lords, sira ang business. Ngayon, iba na ang nakaupo, back to business. Triple, quadruple ang kanilang tawag dito, binawi ngayon.
And when he was president, none of this was happening, and it was safe around the Philippines.
Correct.
But now that he's been gone, I'm reading the comments saying that drugs are everywhere.
Kay Midnight 123, ang ganda oh. Sana darami pa ang katulad niya ng mga social media influencers na magsasabi ng katotohanan. God is in control. Relax lang tayo mga kaibigan. Inalaw ito ng Diyos. At mayroon siyang dahilan bakit ang ating Tatay Digong ngayon
taken. Women are being compromised. Praise Duerte, praise the president. He is a hero here, and we've got to do everything we can to bring him back.
Correct.
And I'm going to tell you right now
Ito na.
that if he was truly arrested for crimes against humanity, then he will have to see his day in court. But if the rhetoric and the bullshit is coming out, and the lies, and he really wasn't arrested, and that he was kidnapped, then Mr. President, Donald Trump, I'm asking you to get involved.
Mr. President Donald Trump, I'm asking you to get involved.
Wow.
Ito na, kabibig. Sikat to, ha? Sikat talaga to.
And find out where the ex-president of the Philippines has been taken to.
Okay.
Ito nga, the
Salamat, Midnight 123. Talagang hindi mo mapigilan ang paglabas ng katotohanan kung sino talaga si Pangulong Duterte sa buhay ng mamamayang Pilipino, sa buhay ng, even the international community. Yun nga, yung napanood ko kanina sa Hindustan Times, I think sa India ito, yung in-depth analysis nila is, binabatikos nila ang ICC na, sa tingin nyo, pinakita nyo na powerful kayo, sabi, hindi, wala na kayong power, nakuha nyo lang si Duterte dahil sa political vendetta na nangyari sa bansa yun, na tinurnover sa inyo, wala kayong gasto-gastos, something like that. So, bakit si Putin, bakit si Netanyahu nakalabas pa, libre si Duterte, nahuli nyo dahil sa pagtulong ng gobyerno doon. Salamat, Midnight 123. Okay mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panonood sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig sa Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo sa channel na ito, tinutulong natin sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para ma-repair ang sira-sira nilang bahay. So panoorin nyo ang video na ito, kabalikat kayo sa pagtulong sa Tribong Talandig.
Mao na ni ang nahatag ni Anting Lansang o kana dayon si Agaw, muna na ang nahatag sa ilaha nga lansang o mauna ni ang mga stock sa among balay nga lansang 5, 2, 3 o 2. O mauna na ang nahatag, so karon magkuha sila og yero.